Hello and welcome to the brand new course on SQL. So this course is meant for people who are trying to get SQL concepts crystal clear. And don't worry if you don't know anything about DB, that is database or SQL. We will cover each and every topic from basic to advanced. So this course offers simple and to the point content covering all the possible topics. Each topic in this course is taught with practical examples and have code or material related to it attached in the course. So you don't have to worry about the implementations of the things you are going to learn in this course. So there is a special offer that we are giving to you guys, that is we are offering this course for free, and that is only for limited period only. So to get your free course subscription, you need to click on the link given in the description below.